Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Google Password Manager Autofill not working in 2026. First, open Google Password Manager and go to the Settings section. Make sure the Offer to Save Passwords and Passkeys option is turned on. This allows Google Password Manager to manage your saved login information. Next, check that Sign In Automatically is enabled. This feature helps Google Password Manager automatically fill your saved usernames and passwords. If autofill is not working, make sure you are signed in with the correct Google account. Your saved passwords are linked to your Google account, so using the wrong account can prevent autofill from working properly. You should also make sure that Chrome is updated to the latest version. An outdated browser can sometimes cause autofill problems. If the issue continues, restart Chrome after checking all the settings. This can refresh the browser and resolve temporary autofill issues. In most cases, enabling password saving, turning on automatic sign-in, using the correct Google account, and updating Chrome will fix Google Password Manager autofill problems. That's how to fix Google Password Manager autofill not working in 2026. It's a simple and effective solution that works for most users. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.